Hey, how are you? I have been looking for you like a month because a friend of yours told me that you want to improve your language and speak accurately, don't you? Okay, today we're going to talk about something super important while very confusing. Here, we're not only teach you what it is, but also how to use it effectively and the right moment. It is present perfect tense. So let's get it started. Present perfect tense shows action which happened in the past but is still true. Confused? Don't be. For example, John has lost his key. What it means he lost it in the past, but right now he doesn't have his key with himself. If you look at him, he is in front of his house, but he can't get in. Why? Because he has lost his key, and right now he doesn't have it. For more explanation, please pay attention in this chart. Okay, it happened in the past in this time, okay, but it has result and effect in present time. Another example, I have operated my hand. I did it in the past, but right now, if you look at my hand, you can see the scar. It means it happened in the past, but it's still true. This kind of action or condition illustrated by present perfect tense. So let's move on to structure of present perfect tense. Okay, these are the structure of present perfect tense. In affirmative form, we have subject plus have or has plus third form of the verb plus complement. The usage of have and has depend to your subject. If your subject is plural, use have. If your subject is singular, use has. For example, I have eaten food, you have eaten food, we have eaten food, they have eaten food. With singular subject, want to read the sentences? Okay. She Excellent. In negative and interrogative form. In interrogative form, we have or has plus subject plus third form of the verb plus complement. Read the sentences. Have, have, have they. Excellent. In negative form, we have subject plus has or have plus not plus third form of the verb plus complement. Read the sentences. I Excellent with has. Excellent. So this is the usage and structure of present perfect tense. In the next videos, we'll explain past perfect tense and so on. If you like this kind of video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.